Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add payment icons in Shopify below your add to cart button. First, you need to go to any of the AI and you have to copy the prompt. After prompting, you have to copy the code it gives you. Click on copy button. Then you have to go to my store in Shopify, where you have to go to the online store option on your left. Click on that and then you will be directed to this page of themes. In themes, you need to go to the customize of your theme. Click on customizing the theme and then you have to go to the home page here. From there, you have to go to the product option. Click on product and you have to select this default product option. After that, you have to go here and here near the buy button you have to go like this, so you will see the option of add block. Click on add block and select the option of custom liquid. Click on the custom liquid, so you will see the option of custom liquid below the buy buttons. Click on that and you will see something like this. Here you have to paste the code which you have copied from there, and like I said, it will start showing the options here. Then you have to go back, and that's how you can add the payment options in your Shopify. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.